Good morning, children. Today we are going to do a new poem. The poem name is Books. Okay, with this name of the poem is Books, right? You are familiar with it. Now we have many different types of book. You must be knowing it. Story books, drawing books, then or knowledge mathematics book, science fiction books, languages book, English grammar. Okay, so like that there are many different types of related books. We are going to learn about it. Now there is a place. In that place, in a room, we can say, in a room we keep all different types of book. Means few are story books, few are kept picture books, few are drawing book, few are languages book, few are fiction books, few are social studies books, right? So all different types of books where it has been kept in a room, it is called library. What do you call them? We call them library. So over here we are going to learn about books which has been kept in a library. There is a library where books are kept. In a library we find many different types of books where books are being kept. So we are going to study about books, all different types of books, and where all different types of books are kept are called library. What are they called? They are known as library. So over here you can see the child tells that the library door called him inside. The library door called him inside when the child entered the library. When the child entered the library, he saw many books there. Some books were tall and thin, while some were little and fat. The child opened one book which told him stories through pictures. It was really a wonderful book. Here it is describing that a child saw many books. You can see over here the child are looking at the books. They are reading. The girl is reading over here. So you can see the child is reading a book. The children are reading a different types of book, and here the girl is also reading. The children are looking at the pictures of the book. So children, over here what it says that the child opened the books and they are looking at the stories through the pictures, and it was a really wonderful book. What it was? It was really a very wonderful book. Now here we'll explain more. बच्चा बताता है कि पुस्तकालय के दरवाजे ने उसे अंदर आने को कहा. जब बच्चा पुस्तकालय में प्रवेश किया, मीन्स इन द लाइब्रेरी, तो वहीं बहुत सी किताबें उसने देखी. कुछ किताबें लंबी और पतली थी, जबकि कुछ छोटी और मोटी थी. बच्चे ने एक किताब खोली जिसमें कहानियों को चित्रों के माध्यम से बताया गया है. मीन्स देर इज़ अ स्टोरी विद द हेल्प ऑफ द पिक्चर्स. विद द हेल्प ऑफ द पिक्चर्स वी कैन नो द स्टोरीज. यह सचमुच एक अद्भुत किताब थी. इट वॉज रियली अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग बुक. इट वॉज रियली अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग बुक. Okay children, so now we'll read the poem. Books. Come in, come in, come in, come in, said the library door. Come in, said the library door. I opened it wide and saw books galore. Tall skinny books up high on the shelf. Little fat books that stood by themselves. I opened it up and sat down. I opened it up. I opened one up and sat down to look. The pictures told stories. What a wonderful book! What a wonderful book! So, once again, we'll read the poem, children. Come in, said the library door. I opened it wide and saw books glare. Tall, skinny books up high on the shelves, little fat books that stood by themselves. I opened one up and sat down to look. The pictures told stories. What a wonderful book! So, children, did you follow? This is a story about the books which we find in the library. A library is a place where all books are kept, all different types of books are kept. Few are story books, few are drawing books, coloring books, then scientific books, all different types of books are there with the picture book. Now we'll read the new words. Library, Library, library. Wide, Wide, wide. Galore, glore. Skinny, Skinny, skinny. Shelves, shelf. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so now we'll go to the next page. Reading is fun. What did the library door say? पुस्तकालय के दरवाजे ने क्या कहा? The library door said to come in. What did the library door say? The library door said to come in. What did the books in the library look like? What did the books in the library look like? पुस्तकालय में किताबें कैसी दिखती थी? So, some books were tall and thin while some were little and fat. Some were tall and thin while some were little and fat. Why did the child in the poems like looking at the pictures? Why did the child in the poem like looking at the pictures? The child in the poem liked looking at the pictures because they told him stories. Because they told him stories. Let's listen. Let's listen to the words. Come in, go out, go out. What word sign have you seen or heard? At home. At home, what we say? Most welcome. M-O-S-T, most welcome. When some guests come at our place, so we say welcome, right? So it most welcome. At the vegetable shop, may I help you please? At the vegetable shop, you can say, may I help you please? Otherwise, no bargaining. We'll say, may I help you please? Or no bargaining. It is no bargaining. B-A-R-G-A-R-N-I-N-I-N-G, no bargaining. At the library, what do we? Silence please, right? At the library we see when we go to read at library room, there is a silence, a print of silence. So, silence, S-I-L-E-N-C-E, silence. At the doctor's place, what will you say? No mobile phones. At the doctor place, no mobile phones. No mobile phones. At the bus shop is what? Please stand in a queue. What will you do at the bus stop? Stand in a queue. Right? We'll wait for the bus or we go for shopping mall. There we see all are standing in a queue. So it is said, please stand in a queue. At the toy shop, fixed rate. At the toy shop is what? Fixed rate. F-I-X-E-D, fixed rate. R-A-T-E, rate. Fixed rate. Let's talk. Once again we will read. What word sign have you seen or heard? At home, most welcome. At the vegetable shop, no bargaining. Or may I help you please? At the library, silence please. At the doctor's place, no mobile phones. At the bus stop, please stand in a queue. At the toy shop, fixed rate, or you can say, may I help you please? Now let's talk. Do you like reading a story book? So you will say yes. Then I like reading the story books. Then next, what kind of stories do you like? Adventure stories. What kind of stories you like? I like adventure stories. All full of adventures. Adventures stories. Now this is a small book game, fun time. Now we'll do this spelling game. Let's write. Make word family. The first word in each has been written for you. Now over here see E-double-L is given in this first, second A-I-L, third is double E, and the last is double O-K. So now we'll go with the first one. First one is written W-E-L-L, well. Now next one is what? S-H-E-L-L, shell. Then B-E-L-L, bell. S-P-E-double-L, spell. L-E-double-L, tell. T-E-L-L, tell. So what the words became, children? Well, shell, bell, spell, tell. Now over here, A-I-L. So first one is what? T-A-I-L, tell. Then M-A-I-L, mail. T-R-A-I-L, trail. And the last one is R-A-I-L, rail. R-A-I-L, rail. Then double E, S-E-E-C. Then T-H-R-E-E, 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. B-E-E-B. T-R-E-E, tree. Again we will read C-3-B, tree. Now this double O-O-K. So first one is B-O-O-K, book. L-O-O-K, look. C-R-O-O-K, crook. S-H-O-O-K, shook. B-R-O-O-K, brook. So dear children, this exercise we have done. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Look at these sentences. What is this? Look at these sentences. A library is a place where books are kept. What? A library is a place where books are kept. Now, where the books are kept, it is called library, a place. Now, fill in the blanks after reading these sentences. A and N. And dash is a place where aeroplanes take off. See, from where do aeroplanes go, takes off and land? Airport. So, we will write A-I-R-P-O-R-T, airport. Then next, an airport is a place where aeroplanes take off and land. 2 number. A dash is a place where food is cooked. So, can you tell me where we cook food usually? Kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. A kitchen is a place where food is cooked. 3 number. A dash is a place where sick people taken care of. So it is what? Hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. So a hospital is a place where sick people are taken care of. 4 number. A dash is a place where you can buy things. From where do you buy things? Market. M-A-R-K-E-T, market. So a market is a place where you can buy things. A dash is a place where children study. A dash is a place where children study. So it's school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. So once again we will read, children. An airport is a place where aeroplanes take off and land. A kitchen is a place where food is cooked. A hospital is a place where sick people are taken care of. A dash is a place where you can buy things. A market is a place where you can buy things. A school is a place where children study. So, dear children, I hope you have understood the poem of book and the exercise given in the textbook. You have to write this exercise with neat and clean handwriting in your textbook, and you have to write the poem in your notebook. I hope you have understood. So children, complete this work in your textbook and poem in your notebook. Thank you.